Hi guys, today we will download and install some useful apps to our Ubuntu desktop. It's apps that I found on the internet and I think it's useful to everyone, like GIMP and Java and more. So let's start. Before I start, most of the commands will be available in the text that I will add to the description. You can download it and just copy paste to your terminal in Ubuntu. Okay, let's go. So first we will do some preparation. You need to open the software and updates. You can do it by clicking here and typing software and updates. Software and updates. Go to other software. Enable Canonical Partners. Enter your password. Authenticate. Again, Canonical Partners. And after you click close, it will start to update the cache. Let it be. So now after it's done and update all the cache and allow us to install our repositories, let's install the getDeb and playDeb repositories. You need to type the command. I will pause the video so you can just see the end result. And the command is be wget this URL and then press enter and it will download the repository. After we will download the getDeb, we will download the getplay. I said getplay, I mean playDeb, I'm sorry. So the next command is wget and all this URL, it will download the playDeb and same thing as before, enter. It can take a while, it will download it. For me it's fast because I already have these repositories. So after we download the getDeb and playDeb, we will now want to install them. So the commands are sudo superuser do, and we will use the command dpkg that will install for us the repositories. So once more I will pause the recording and you will see the end result. And now after I write all the command sudo, it will tell the machine, the Linux, do this command in superuser permissions. After that we will type this command dpkg -i and this URL. This will tell the Linux install this getDeb. After that we will enter and it will ask us for our password for the super user and we will supply it, and you can see it installed that pretty fast. It's a matter of seconds, it's not such a big files. After that we will do the same for the playDeb, same as before. I will pause and explain it afterwards. Once again, superuser do dpkg -i playDeb blah 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 and enter. It will start to install. After this, if you want, you can delete the files that you downloaded, so they will not just sit there and occupy unnecessary space in your hard drive that you can use for something else. Just enter these two commands and enter after each one of them, and it should be crazy fast. So after that it will be very fast we just download our necessary apps and update them, etc. So let's begin. I will close it and open a new and clean one. Terminal. So just for the first download, for our first app, let's download something useful that called GIMP. It's an image editor equivalent to Adobe Photoshop. It's free, you can download it, not need any unlegal things just like Cajuns and cracks. So everything legal, we will do sudo add a pt repository -y, and I will freeze it so I can just show you the end result. And I will write and type all this long command. It will be here in the file that I will upload to the commands, to the description of the video, I'm sorry. Same thing, enter your super user password that will be provided in the installation of the Linux. And you see it will download all the necessary things. So now we can install the GIMP. There is the short way. You can just write install GIMP. But I'm really lazy and I wrote it before. Type all this command, it will install the GIMP and it's all extra packets. Enter, and it's installing, and I ask you, there is additional disk space that you will be used. Do you want to continue? Of course I do. Press Y and it will download and install and install, and we will freeze the screen. And by freezing the screen I mean pause the recording, and it will continue and stop here. So now we should have our GIMP. For those who doesn't believe me, let's search and see if we get our GIMP. GIMP, here it is, GIMP image editor. You can open it and start use it. I'm not understand too much in Photoshop and image editing, so I just show you that this program is working, nothing else. As you can see, nice and easy. So now for the next thing, who doesn't want to watch some videos and movies and etc. For next thing we will download VLC. So as I showed you before, we will download the repositories that contain the update packets for it. Just type sudo apt-get repository -y and this, and enter. Let it work. So now we'll download and install the VLC. After this will be done, we will paste the command. I told you I'm really lazy. So sudo apt-get install. It's really fast and easy. You can click the tab key on your keyboard and it's complete your commands automatically. And then this and this is the actually application that we want to download. Enter. As before, Y, and let him work. And as you can see, it's downloading and unpacking and installing, etc. So let it work. It will take a minute or two. Don't be panic if it's taking more time than that. So as you can see, it's done. Let's see if it downloaded the VLC. Just type in search VLC, and here the VLC. Let's see if it works. Blah blah blah, privacy and network policy, blah blah blah. and our VLC is working. So I don't want this video to be too much long and frustrating, so I will end this tutorial now. I hope it will help you. You can ask me everything you want in the comments. Don't forget to like, and thank you for watching.